Hello, my dear students. Myself, Professor Ankita Naik, and this is a topic which is contemporary issues while designing the job. Job design is a systematic organization of job-related tasks, responsibilities, duties, and functions of a particular kind of job. It is continuous process of integration of the content related to the job in order to achieve the certain goals and objectives of your organizations. The process plays a very important role while analyzing the particular kind of your job or getting the productivity for an employee and optimum utilization of your available resources. However, there are number of existing issues emerged while recently designing the job into the organization. So we will look after those issues while designing the particular kind of job. The first thing is a telecommunication. Our today's world is a telecommunicating world. Here, everything is happen online. Everything is happen over the internet. Like in today's COVID situation, each one of us are working online. Like lectures are online, works are online, shifts are. There is none of the person is going to the office. Everything is happening from the work. This is a recent change which will be again the issues while designing the job. One of the recent changes and potentially the most far-reaching is a telecommunicating. Telecommunicating is again the good changes while happen to work from the home. It increase the more and more efficiency, reduce the time to go to the particular offices or services. Telecommunicating refer to the use of computers, then use of the fax machines, use of the various kind of online techniques which is performed to particular kind of job or services. Though there are many advantages associated with this, working this style suffers from many limitations also. It allows the employees to stay at home and work or perform the particular kind of task. Like all of us are working from the home. Like it also saves the cost of the employees to go for the particular, but it also has the disadvantages or your limitations also. With employees or established relationship with them, this can be there is no sometimes there is a no output of what they are working from the home. They only deal with the machines whole day, leading the loss of the creativity. Those who works on the machines, unki creativity will be less at this time. There is no scope for skill up the generation as well as developing the proper appraisal system. Everybody is working from the home, so there is no updation of the particular kind of work. Next is come to your job sharing. It is a second most preferable alternative of the traditional working style where two or more individuals share the responsibilities of the work in the full-time job. Like two person will be working into the one job. They divide the task, responsibilities and compensation according to their mutual understanding or their mutual contract. This is an option generally used by the women who are on the maternity leave. Like one of the example is like whenever they are on a maternity leave or have a family or kids, so this is a time when they share the particular kind of the work, they share the particular kind of schedule of working. Then it comes to your alternative work pattern. This is also example of your alternative work pattern is also example of your job sharing. Okay, then it comes to your techno stress. Techno stress is a stress caused by the new and advanced technology in the workplace, mostly by the information technology. Every time in the organization, as we have just discussed, that every organization has their different system. Every organization has their different softwares to work. So every time to adopt these new things is also the challenging. For example, over here you can take XYZ companies mostly use electronic bulletin holders as a forum for rumors and any kind of layout. Now they are suddenly started using the billboards. They suddenly started using a certain kind of digitalized things. So every employee should adopt with the digital technology. It is somehow difficult. We always use the softwares like for HRM process or any like Excel, your PowerPoint. So if there is an advanced tech which needs to be used, then again that is cause of the stress. Everyone is not suitable to perform the particular kind of job with the same ability. Then it comes to your task revision. A new concept in design of work is task revision. Task revision is a innovative way to modify and incorrectly specify job role. Task revision is you morning, like every offices now you have the Monday morning meetings. In a Monday morning meetings, what do you have to do? You have to show what you're going to do today, like activity book, what is your task, which is deadlines are today. So this is also the specific for the specific job roles. Or so this also kind of burden which comes to the employee, that I have to complete this kind of task if it is given. Skill development. Skill development is the ability of the employees to improve their skill, and it is an important consideration in job design. So these are certain factors which can be used while designing the job, and these are certain contemporary issues as well. Then it comes to your flexible working hours. Nowadays organization has come up with a system that flexible working hours. You have to, many of the IT companies are coming into the scenario with this concept that allow their employees to work according to their timings and their shifts. Like as I said, many women who cannot work due to their family responsibilities or any personal issues, but if they get a flexible timing, their output can be the best. Okay, so this is a flexible working environment is another concern when it comes to your job designing. Then it comes to your alternative work patterns. Alternative companies also allow the employees to work on alternative months or seasons. Like this is mostly followed into your foreign countries. They also have the option of working in 2 or 3 full days and can relax for the rest of the days. Like here the concept come into the scenario that you can work for a specific hours. Like आपको 20 hours if you have to work. So you work 20 hours in a day or you work 20 hours in a week. That is your choice. So this is another alternative working pattern which is coming into the scenario. Then again we'll revise the topic, which is a task revision. Task revision is a modification of the existing job designed by the reducing or adding a new job duties and responsibilities of the specific job profile. It helps to correct the incorrectly defined job. Okay, then it about your knowledge work. It focus on the customers and their problems. The shift from traditional work to knowledge work is enable it helps the manager to change strategies, pattern, different kind of human resource policies, and thereby allowing more scope for flexibility into the work. Okay, so this is regarding your factors which are affecting to your particular kind of job designing process. Here you have the telecommunicating is the first problem. Second is the alternative work pattern, techno stress, task revision, skills development, knowledge updation, and alternative job profile over here. So these are certain items. Thank you so much. Factors affecting to the job design. Okay, so a properly designed job make it more productive and satisfactory when it comes to designing of the particular kind of job or services. It is affected by the various kind of factor, which will be include your organizational factors, it could be include your environmental factors, and it could be include your behavioral factors. So in your organizational factors refers to the factors that is within your organization or within your particular kind of company or a services. So first one, it is your work nature or a task characteristics, what is needs to be performed by the employees. Task characteristics refers to the basic feature of the job for which the organization will be deciding the design how the job will be designed must be done. In case of organization is not in position to appoint the particular kind of people, a single job may have a many duties and individual may have to carry the variety of the concerned task at the same time. So this is about your task characteristics, where a particular task is needed to be performed while doing the particular kind of job. Okay, in this particular kind of thing, which is include your planning, execution, controlling, directing, everything to perform that particular kind of job. So this may be also affect your designing of your particular kind of job. The next one is second point is your workflow. The flow of work is strongly influenced by the nature of the work or the services. It is necessary that there is a proper sequencing of your particular kind of job. Like what is a flow chart? Like first one is will be the planning, then organizing, then controlling, then directing. What after what plays a very important role while designing the job. Then there should be the balance between the different types of job must be established. That there should be the balance in both the job. All this enhance the efficiency of the work and the performance. Like as we always say, if we follow the certain kind of system, जैसे कोई भी सिस्टम हम लोग फॉलो कर लेते हैं तो उसमें वी गेट टू नो द मोर एंड मोर efficiency into the your work. Then it comes to your ergonomics. Ergonomics is concerned with designing and shaping of the job to fit the physical abilities and the mental abilities of the particular kind of employee individual that may perform the particular kind of job. Here we can take the example about if we wanted to perform the job regarding your air hostess, then here their physical ability plays a very important role. Like how is their physics, how is their appearance to do the particular kind of job. Then it will become to about that they should have know the various kind of languages that जैसे उनको हिंदी आना चाहिए, इंग्लिश आना चाहिए, they should know the Spanish, they should know wherever airlines they travel, they should be aware about those kind of things. Then it will be again coming about their appearance, how they appear and the role which they are going to play for particular kind of job. So this is your ergonomics. Ergonomics is concerned with designing and shaping the particular kind of job. Ergonomics helps to strike the balance between the physical abilities of the job holder with demands of the particular kind of job. Whenever it comes to your, I can give the example of your air hostess job. The physical abilities and the characteristics of the job, these two things should be matched together to perform the particular kind of job. The basic nature of the job remains same, but the location of variety of the facilities are changed to make job holder feel comfortable. Like basic amenities will remain same, but the changes, the location can change. Like if we can take the example about the banks, every 3 years there is a transfer. 3 साल के बाद उनकी transfer होती है. So that is again the main things that they should adopt the new kind of atmosphere over there. So this is again your things. Then it comes to your work practices. Every organization has a different work practice. There are set ways of performing the particular kind of task. Like we can take the example over about the hierarchy of the school. Like or the colleges. Here we have the professors. On top of that there is a HODs. On top of that there is a vice principal. On top of that there is a principal. So this is a work structure which we have to follow. Our departmental heads, every categories are there. So each person has or each organization has certain working patterns. So this also affect the while designing the particular kind of job or a services. Out of traditional or suggestions of the employees is also plays a very important role into this. Department organization has a limited role for playing, especially when it comes to the particular kind of organization जहाँ पे departments and there is a various kind of departments where they can work together as a one team. So this plays a very important role. That is your work culture. That is how the culture of your work is. And next it comes to your technology. The level of the technology used by the organization also affect the job design. Like every organization has their different softwares, every organization has their different standard of working. So this also affect while designing your particular kind of job. Organization having high technology will have a different job design compared to the organization having the low technological support. Like many of the organization, they have the manual working system. So sometimes there should be the manual working. Sometimes वहाँ पे आपकी traditional working system will be happen. So it also affect while you and how you design the particular kind of job. Okay. Next point is your environmental factors. Environmental factors are concerned or affect the human resource management, job designing process. Okay. So here in environmental factor you will be having the employees availability and ability. Certain countries face the problem of lack of skilled laborers. They are not able to employ with a specific education level for their jobs. Like Many of the countries, they hire the labor from the another countries, like you can take that, like people in India work into the USA for different countries, for different companies, you can say. So because that level of education they might not be having over there, that kind of quality of the workers they may not be have over there. It is depending on the country, due to which job design is affected. There must be the proper balancing of the efficient consideration against the availability and ability of the workers who's supposed to perform the work. Second one, it comes to your social and cultural expectations. Like working in India is different, working in USA is different. So there is a social and various cultural changes. So these also affect your job designing process. Okay. While designing the job, international operations, national and cultural differences may take into the place. Example, you can take about the hours of workings, the holidays, vacations, breaks, religions, beliefs, management style, working subordinates, attitudes, certain parameters that will across the country or across the border, those are different. Example, you can take about like India and USA. We have the different working zones. We have the different vacation pattern. We have the different religions. We have the different culture of the work. So everything plays very important role while designing the job. So this also, failure to face this kind of factors can lead to the dissatisfaction or low quality of the work. So while designing the job, you have to identify these factors also. Then it comes to your environmental factors. These are about your environmental factors which affect your human resource management, job design. It is exceptional after this. So here you have the 2 points. One is your employee availability and ability, and social and cultural expectation of particular kind of job. Okay. Then it comes to your behavioral factor. Behavioral factor mainly include the human needs and the needs of to satisfy those kind of needs. An individual with a high level of needs will find more challenging if it is high in following parameters. First of all, it is while identifying the behavioral factors, you have the feedback and autonomy and variety of the job. These are the two things which needs to be considered while designing your behavioral factors. Feedback. Job design is normally prepared on a basis of the feedback which has been taken by the employees on the required basis. Many employees are, however, not interested in providing the true feedback. It has many reasons. Because the fear and insecurity which turns to affect their job, because many of the time if we give the honest feedback, it will result into the lack of security of the job or any kind of misconception which can be happen during that. So this is again the factor which affect. Next is come to the autonomy. Every worker desires a certain level of freedom that he can perform while doing his job more effectively, right? This is called as autonomy, and that job ensure adequate autonomy, increase the employee satisfaction and the recognition, self-esteem, absence of the same leads of poor performance. But this is again what and what level of autonomy you can give, that also plays a very important role over here. Then it comes to your variety. When the same job is repeated again and again, it is termed as a monotonous job, and no person can do the monotonous job. Whether it is a monotonous job also, you need some kind of change while performing that particular kind of job. Boredom in turn leads to the poor efficiency और variety of the errors. अगर आपको एक ही चीज़ बार बार करनी पड़ेगी तो you will get bored. So at that particular time, what you need to do, you need to get some changes into the job. Why university changed the syllabus? Simple example, because same syllabus cannot be taught every time. You have to come up with a lot of new things which students can imbibe into their today's working culture. By injecting variety into the job, possibility of such error can be reduced. Okay, so these are the three types of your factors which can be affect while performing the particular kind of job. सो यहाँ पे 3 फैक्टर्स है, एक है ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल फैक्टर्स, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स और एक बिहेवियरल फैक्टर। ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल फैक्टर जो होते हैं दैट इज़ विद इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पॉलिसीज, आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अंदर के जो भी सिचुएशन है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं वाइल डिज़ाइनिंग द जॉब। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज उसमें आता है दैट इज़ योर वर्क कल्चर, देन योर वर्क नेचर ऑफ द वर्क और टास्क जो भी आप परफॉर्म करते हो वाइल परफॉर्मिंग द जॉब, वो एक आता है। देन इट कम्स टू योर एर्गोनॉमिक्स। एर्गोनॉमिक्स ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ पे यू कैन परफॉर्म द जॉब कंसर्न विद डिज़ाइनिंग एंड शेपिंग, मतलब आपका जॉब कैसे आप शेप करते हो, आप किस चीज़ में उसको कैसे फिट करते हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। देन वर्किंग का फ्लो, कि हर कंपनी का वर्क करने का तरीका अलग होता है एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाइड कि कैसे चार्ट में वो फॉलो करे। देन एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, एनवायरमेंटल के जो फैक्टर्स हैं जो कंसर्न होते हैं विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू योर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर उसका अफेक्ट ज़्यादा होता है, विच विल बी इंक्लूड योर एम्प्लॉय एबिलिटी एंड अवेलेबिलिटी। हर एक कंट्री में सेम एम्प्लॉयज़ की अवेलेबिलिटी और एबिलिटी होना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वर्किंग जोन अलग होते हैं, वर्किंग टाइप अलग होता है, रिलीजन कास्ट सब अलग होता है। तो दिस इज़ अनदर फैक्टर विच अफेक्ट। एंड देन इट कम्स टू योर सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल एंड कल्चरल फैक्टर। सो हर कंट्री का सोशल एंड कल्चरल इकोनॉमिकल एक्सपेक्टेशंस अलग होता है, जो भी आपकी जॉब डिज़ाइनिंग को अफेक्ट करता है। थर्ड टाइप है आपका बिहेवियरल फैक्टर। बिहेवियरल फैक्टर में आता है आपकी ऑटोनॉमी। ऑटोनॉमी दैट उसका मतलब है हर एक एम्प्लॉय की डिज़ायर होती है कि मुझे अपने हिसाब से काम करना ज़्यादा पसंद, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी आती है, उसको काम करने का फ्रीडम चाहिए। देन उसके हिसाब से काम हो, जैसे वो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकता है, दैट इज़ अनदर प्लेस वेयर द ऑटोनॉमी। अगर वो चीज़ होती है तो जॉब अच्छे से कर सकते हैं। सो वो जॉब डिज़ाइन करने के टाइम वो भी एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। देन फीडबैक, हर कोई अच्छा फीडबैक देने के लिए और सच फीडबैक नहीं देता है, क्योंकि उसकी जॉब की सिक्योरिटी उसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। देन अबाउट योर वैरायटी, एक ही चीज़ हम कोई भी बार बार कर नहीं सकते, उसके लिए वी हैव टू चेंज समथिंग। चेंज बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके काम में बहुत अच्छापन लाने के लिए। सो दिस इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग विच अफेक्ट्स योर जॉब डिज़ाइनिंग प्रोसेस। और उसके और एक चीज़ है दैट इज़ सॉफ्ट स्किल एंड एबिलिटीज़। जैसे सॉफ्ट स्किल है, कैसे बात करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है, वो भी चीज़ उसके जॉब डिज़ाइन करते टाइम यू हैव टू टेकन इनटू द कंसिडरेशंस। So our today's topic into this, that factors affecting the job design. Quickly recap: organizational factors, environmental factors and behavioral factors. These are the 3 factors. Thank you so much.